With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is volumetric analysis titrations involving KMnO4 are carried out only in presence of dilute H2SO4 but not in presence of presence of HCl or HNO3. This is because oxygen produced from KMnO4 plus dilute H2SO4 is used only for oxidizing the reducing agent. Moreover, H2SO4 does not give any oxygen of its own to oxidize the reducing agent. In case HCl is used, the oxygen produced from KMnO4 plus HCl is partly used up to oxidize HCl, and in case HNO3 is used, it itself acts as oxidizing agent and partly oxidizes the reducing agent. KMnO4 in various mediums gives following products: Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 2 in acidic medium, Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 4 in H2O, Mn plus 7 to Mn plus 6 in OH minus. Now the question is the number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed to react with 1 mole of sulphite in an acidic solution. So a sulphite over here is SO3 2 minus and acidic medium is H plus. Over here the oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4, this is plus 7. So how do we get this? 1 plus Mn plus minus 2 into 4 is equal to 0. Mn is equal to plus 7. Then we have got sulphite SO3 2 minus. Sulfur plus minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 2. So this is equal to sulfur is equal to plus 4. So now we have been given that we have this Mn plus 7 convert plus SO3 2 minus converting into Mn2 plus in acidic medium. So since this got reduced, this will get oxidized to SO4 2 minus. Over here it is plus 6, over here it is plus 4. So now what we have been asked in the question is to find out the moles, how many number of moles of KMnO4 will be required to react with 1 mole of sulphite in acidic solution. So over here we need to find out the N factor. So over here we see Mn is going from plus 7 to plus 2, that is change of 5 into number of Mn atoms, that is 1. So this was decrease. After that we have SO3 2 minus. So sulfur is going from plus 4 to plus 6, that is change of 2 increase into number of sulfur, that is 1. So we get N factor over here as 5 and over here it is 2. So after this we need to use equivalence. So equivalence, law of equivalence. So what does this law state? That equivalence of Mn plus 7 is equal to equivalence of SO3 2 minus, that is sulphite. So now what is equivalent? So equivalent is equal to moles into N factor. So now we have equivalence of Mn, that is N factor is 5 into moles, that is X. Equivalence of SO3 2 minus, that is moles is 1 and N factor is 2. X is equal to 2 by 5. So this is the answer. Which option is it? So the option is option A, that is 2 by 5. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.